Hey, what's going on, guys? Jeff from AGL Tech, and time for some more tech news. So Apple just announced their new 16-inch MacBook Pro. It's going to replace the 15-inch model in their lineup with a 9th Gen 6 or 8 core Intel CPU, Radeon 5300M or the 5500M. You can get up to 64 gigabytes of memory and up to 8 terabytes of storage. Once maxed out, will cost you a complete whopping $6,100. They also finally got rid of their butterfly keyboard, so instead they reinvented their scissor switch base. They also made the laptop thicker for a bigger battery, and it can last up to 11 hours now. So AMD just announced their 3960X and 3970X. One comes with 16 cores, the other one comes with 32. And if you didn't think that was enough cores, well, you should check out their new CPU they might release. They might be announcing the 3990X with 64 cores and 128 threads soon. MSI announced a video recently demoing its creator TRX40 motherboard, and in one of the clips of the videos it shows a PC with Task Manager open, showing a number of threads. There are 16 columns and 8 rows, so that would be 128 threads. And MSI, of course, took down that video pretty fast. 120 threads, that could be nice for mainframes or big servers. So YouTube changed some of their terms of service that could indicate that YouTube would deactivate channels if they're not commercially viable. In their terms and services, it says YouTube may terminate its legal agreement with you if provision of the service to you by YouTube is, in YouTube's opinion, no longer commercially viable. Now they changed it to YouTube may terminate your access or your Google account's access to all or part of the service if YouTube believes in its sole discretion that provision of the service to you is no longer commercially viable. Some concern was shown that YouTube could start banning people who use ad blocks, since that directly takes away from their revenue and creators' revenue too. YouTube claims that they aren't changing the way YouTube works, they're just making sure terms of service are up to date. Well, hopefully none of you guys are affected by this, and hopefully I don't ever get affected by any of their terms of service. So I'm going to make sure I stay up to date with this stuff so nothing happens to my account, and so I can bring you guys more valuable content. So that's pretty much it for today's video. So if you have any comments about what's been going on with YouTube or the new AMD processor, comment down below. And also, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a huge thumbs up. Hit subscribe down below. Turn the bell notification icon so you can see my next upload. I'll catch you guys in the next one.